What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it is still in quite a clear downtrend. Just like a lot of cryptos have been over the past, the past few weeks. We've obviously seen ever since we went into the 9th to 10th of November, Bitcoin has basically been rolling over, which has been leading to Vechain and a lot of other cryptocurrencies that are highly correlated to it to be rolling over. We've obviously seen Veracity, Vechain, obviously we've seen Polygon, we've seen Chainlink, Cardano, Ethereum. Basically a lot of the bigger blue chip style altcoins have all been basically rolling over in pretty much in perfect tandem with the market, and you can see here Vechain is no exception, quite clearly rolling over here, just having a very bearish few days. Obviously we coiled up into a kind of a coil here, expecting a bit more of continuation, but with Bitcoin rolling over again on the 16th, it got dragged down quite significantly and looking as though we are potentially bottoming out here on this previous swing low around 12.3 cents. If we just take a look at the hourly time frame here, you can see quite clearly we've got massive bullish divergences all over the place. We've got a big bullish divergence here on our RSI and the RSI and on the price action coming down, RSI coming up. Get that nice W double bottom like this with a little bit of an overextension to the downside. We get a nice big pump back up into that 14 cent area. Obviously chopped it sideways for a good while here, but then with Bitcoin rolling over yet again, we have seen Vechain get dragged down with it. We come down and we retest the low again. We come down, we actually make a slightly lower low here in congruence with this area here. We come down and it looks as though we are making another big bullish divergence here. RSI coming up, price action going down, and it looks as though we are getting a little bit of a relief rally here. Currently trading at around 13 cents, just getting a bit of a push off the bottom. Hopefully coming back to the upside here. You can see obviously we've been trading downwards for a little bit of a good while here. We came up to that local high at around 18.7 cents, didn't we? Which was only on the 9th of November. And then obviously with Bitcoin rolling over, big move down to the downside, retesting the 618 here. We chop sideways, we come down, we lose the 618, rolling over, finding support down at this previous area of a swing low here that we saw back here on the pennant. Basically we're looking for that 050 retracement, aren't we, on the Fibonacci pull of this entire move that we've seen recently, pulled from the 28 cent all-time high down to that 5 cent low. But it looks as though we've got a huge bullish divergence of this whole entire section here. You can see this is actually lower lows on the price action but higher lows on our RSI here, and we could be looking at potentially, you know, a big bounce to the upside, at least coming back up towards the top of the channel here to retest that 0618 at around 14.7 cents as resistance. Obviously we want to come back up, break through this back test and continue to see a nice bit of continuation. But overall, you know, Vechain not looking too bad. Obviously it's been underperforming for a good while, but we really do think it's a top quality project, and as we always say, the longer these things consolidate, the more explosive the move will be to the upside, especially in a bull market, because we are still in a bull market here, let's not forget. Everyone seems to lose their mind after a few weeks of bearish, and then they fail to zoom out and see since March 2020 just how crazy the gains have been. I mean, this is textbook really. Pump, correction, pump, coiling up, breakout, back test, and then obviously you know what happens after the breakout back test. It's usually a massive move to the upside. So basically Vechain looking good overall, to be honest. Really not too many concerns. You can see here we are starting to get that pickup off the bottom, and if we can break out of this little downtrend we've been in for a good while here and at least make a higher high here, we could be on the up and up. So if we do roll over here, we would be expecting maybe a little bit of a lower price. This would be a huge bullish divergence at that point with the RSI where it is currently. If we saw the price come down again, we'd probably be seeing a really, really nice move. The RSI looking something like this, the price action coming down, huge bullish divergence where we could see a big explosive move to the upside. And then obviously, if we do start moving up here, we want to see ourselves come up, break past around this 14-ish cent level, come up and make a higher high, come back and make a higher low, and then obviously reverse the trend, come up and retest the 618 and break out here. And then, as we always say, we really do think Vechain, once it does start to get going, it really does start to get going. And we'd think 50 cents to $1, which is, you know, around a 6, 7, 8x from the current price, is not that unreasonable at all, considering the explosion that we've seen previously for Vechain. It ran from around 3 cents to 28 cents in about a month and a half. So quite clear this is a crypto that can move very fast when it has momentum behind it. And we do think once it does start to break to the upside, it's going to be, you know, potentially we're going to be having a bit of fireworks. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.